In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a cash payment in Splitwise. Keeping your Splitwise balances accurate is really important, especially if you're using it to track shared expenses with friends, family, or roommates. Sometimes you might pay someone back in cash through a bank transfer or another method outside the app. When that happens, you'll want to make sure Splitwise reflects that payment, so your balances stay correct. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to record that kind of cash payment. First, open Splitwise in your browser or app and go to your main dashboard. From here, choose the person or the group where you want to record the payment. For example, if you're paying back a single friend, click on their name in your list. If the payment is for a shared group, like apartment or trip, click on that group instead. This step is important because the payment will only affect the balances in the person or group you select. Once you're on that page, look for the option that says Settle Up. This is usually near the top or clearly visible on the screen. Go ahead and click on Settle Up. This opens the section where Splitwise lets you record how you're paying someone back. Next, you'll see different ways to settle your balance. Since we're focusing on a payment that happened outside of Splitwise, click on Record a Cash Payment. Even if the actual payment was done via bank transfer or another method, you can still use this option to log it. Think of it as telling Splitwise, hey, this has already been paid, just update the numbers. Now enter the amount that you paid. Make sure you type the correct value and double check the currency and the decimal places. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and confirm that the amount matches what you actually gave or received in real life. If you're settling only part of what you owe, you can enter a smaller amount instead of the full balance. When everything looks right, click on Save. Splitwise will update the balance between you and that person or group to reflect the cash payment you just recorded. You should now see that what you owe, or what they owe you, has been reduced accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a cash payment in Splitwise and kept your shared expenses up to date.